indicates damp heat syndrome. Fichinus leucura indicates deficiency cold syndrome. Leucura with mixed colors and stifling foul odor, a sign of malignant syndrome. All right, I will read just the one more page, and then we may be doing a little bit on the French, but then I've gotta get out of here, and hopefully we'll do another one later on, a live stream from home where you guys can see real flight evolution. I love flying all kinds of different vehicles in real flight evolution, and I haven't done an FPV drone flight in a while, but I will plan to do that soon. And again, we'll do a lot more of these live streams now from the TikTok. We'll have to try to figure out how to make it work. But now that the weather is getting a little bit better, I may be able to do some real flying, not just in a simulator. I will fly drones for you guys on these TikToks, so you guys can watch me and see in real time me flying all kinds of analog. And I also have a digital version drone, but I can't fly that. I can only do hover tests on that one. So we've got Not MS Pilgrim. Thank you for showing up on the channel. And I missed a couple of other awesome people that just showed up to say hello because I was busy rambling. That's what I do. I ramble on forever and ever and ever on this channel. So I will read one last page as I promised. We will start here with what it says here is inquiry. Here we go, inquiry. As the important parts of the 4 diagnostics methods, inquiry means investigating into the subjective symptoms of by means of inquiring the complaints of the patient. So it's important to talk to the patient and hear what they're all about. Madam, thank you for showing up. Filter Mag, thank you for showing up. Love hearts and all that jazz for you guys. So with which one could grasp the occurrence and pathology, combining other 3 diagnostics so as to offer the convincing evidences for syndrome differentiation. So general inquiry, A, inquiry of name, sex, age, nationality, one's place of origin, marital status, profession, and address, etc. I don't know if you need to do all of that, because especially in American doctors' offices, most people will write all that stuff in for the doctor. I don't know about nationality. Maybe they might put nationality. I don't know. Inquiry of chief complaints. So I guess all they mean is, what is your patient in there for? Like, what are they asking you about?